How to send picture in TikTok comment. To get started, you first need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the home page of TikTok. Navigate to a post and tap on the comment icon from the side panel. Once you are in the comments section, select a comment and tap on the reply button. Then tap on this video icon over here. You will be taken to this camera page, then tap on the gallery option from here. Go to Photos, select a photo and tap on Next. Preview the selected photo and tap on Next. Once you are on this page, tap on the Post button. Once the picture has been posted, everyone can view the photo. Go back to the post to see your photo comment. So by following these simple steps, you can easily send picture in TikTok comment.